Hi, today we're going to be looking at the Roborock H6, Roborock's first cordless stick vacuum. This was introduced in the CES last January, and Roborock has some pretty lofty claims. They say that this vacuum is the first cordless to use a lithium polymer battery, the same one used in drones, which is a reason why this vacuum is lightweight and yet has a 90-minute claimed runtime. So I will test how long this vacuum runs in the review video, which I will do after this unboxing. Another claim is a 5-layer filtration system that has 2 Hepa filters, a front and rear Hepa filter that captures 99.97% of particles, so that is equivalent to 0.3 microns. Roborock claims that this product maintains 85% of its power even after 600 charges. It has a 450 watt motor that produces 150 air watts or 25,000 pascals of suction. So all of these claims are in the box. So we'll look at the different sides of the box to see what other features we can expect before I open it. So you can see that this package has the vacuum body, carpet brush, flex tube, crevice tool, product manual, baton, motorized brush, and everything. Let's move this to this side, and as you can see, the 90-minute runtime claim. So it says here that Roborock's customized lithium polymer battery design delivers 90 minutes of cleaning in eco and 10 minutes in max mode. So again, I will test all of these features if these claims are accurate. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. So as you can see, this product has the traditional white Roborock packaging of good quality. So the first thing we'll get is this extension tube. So this part is what gives this product its versatility. So it has the similar design as a Dyson. So this is the flexible tube where you can attach different attachments. Tool rack, so where you can attach a number of tools. Here we have the mini motorized brush. Let me just quickly show you the brush inside. The brush is semi-stiff, not really soft, not really stiff. It's right at the middle. All of the tools in the H6 have this quick release latch, which I really like. Opening this up, this would be the quick start and the manual. Moving further, let's look at this crevice tool. I believe this is the crevice tool. Again, has the quick release latch. And this would be the bolts for the, I believe, for the storage rack. Moving along, let's look at this tool. So you cannot move this forward, and the bristles are semi-stiff. So this is great for cleaning pet hair and stubborn dirt on fabric upholstery. So opening this up, you will get, I believe this would be the storage rack. This would be the storage rack where you can store the vacuum. So having the same design as a Dyson, this vacuum will not be able to stand on its own, so you will need this tool to store vertically if you wish to. This would be the power cord for charging. This is the vacuum. Sorry about that. accidentally press the power button. So here's a quick look at how the vacuum looks like. This would be the main cleaning head. So this, the product that Roborock sent me only has one brush roll attachment. I believe that there's another soft roller attachment which isn't included in this package. So I would need to ask Roborock to probably send me the soft roller brush so I can test it on hard floors. But for now, this is what I have to work with. You can see that this tool swivels and it goes flat, reasonably flat. The wheels are made of plastic. I don't see any rubber wheels, and it has stiff and soft bristles here. This design is really close to a Dyson V8 design. So it has the rubber squeegee here that provides a seal when this tool goes over carpet. And you can remove this brush by twisting this lever here. So here's a quick overview of the H6. The design is very similar to the Dyson and Tineco A11 with the trigger switch that is pretty responsive. Once you squeeze it, the motor turns on, release, motor turns off. On top of this vacuum is a small screen. I'm not sure if this is an LED or LCD screen. There are three different icons here on top. You can see that there are two icons, unlock and lock. So the unlock means that you can use the trigger as needed. So when you squeeze, the power turns on, release, power shuts off. When you put it in the lock position by pressing this, the vacuum will stay on until you press this icon to shut off. So this is useful if you're cleaning large floor areas, so you don't have to constantly squeeze the trigger. In the middle is the percentage of the battery left. So another feature that I like is that you can see how much time is left of usage. So you can see that there's 17 minutes left. So this helps you anticipate when the battery is empty. At the bottom is the three different power settings. So let's go through each one. So to toggle between these settings, you just have to press the button on the rear. So this is the low setting, medium, and high. I mentioned earlier that this vacuum has two Hepa filters. Let me just show you where it's located. So the first one is here. This is the pre-motor Hepa filter. Both of these filters are washable. The second one is accessed by removing this assembly here. You do that by pulling this lever back to remove the outer shell of the dust cup, and you will need to twist this to unlock. And the second Hepa filter is located here. So this would be the second Hepa filter. So Roborock claims that these two filters will keep particles up to 0.3 microns inside the bin. So that is a pretty lofty claim. Okay, right now let's put this back together. Roborock has some pretty high-tech gadgetry right in this product. So they use their experience building robotic vacuums and built this stick vacuum. So it doesn't have the quick release latch like the Dyson has. To open the bin, you'll have to push this switch down. And this would be the max fill line. It doesn't hold a lot of dirt. So I will test how dirt comes down when you open this in the review video. So all of the attachments of the H6 come with a quick release latch. Here's some of them. This is the hose attachment that extends quite a good deal. So this is easily a few feet long, and you can attach a non-motorized tool on the other end like so. So you can use this to clean areas inside your vehicles. So removing the tool is easy. Just press the quick release latch and it comes off smoothly. I like the build quality and the plastics that Roborock used. So this is the mini motorized brush. So the brush spins, which gives it agitation. It has its own motor, so you can use this to clean pet hair on upholstery inside your vehicle or the sofas. And this would be the main one that transforms this vacuum into a stick vacuum. So this is the main brush. Attach it to the vacuum so it attaches quite smoothly. So here's how the vacuum looks like in its stick configuration. So let me just demo this on this carpet and see how much dirt it picks up. So the swivel steering isn't as smooth as I had hoped for, but it is pretty good. And the vacuum is pretty light on the arm as I'm using it. It can go really flat like so. So it wouldn't be an issue going under furniture. So let me just show you how much dirt the H6 pick up after that short run. So here's the view of the dust cup. You can clearly see that it has picked up quite a bit of dust, and most of it is at the base, so which is a good sign. First impressions, the steering could use a bit of tweaking. It's a bit hard for my taste. I did say that it's decent, but as I'm trying to swivel it right now, you can clearly see that it skips a bit as you twist. But overall, the build quality is really good. I like the responsiveness of the trigger. The filter seems to be high quality. Everything goes in smoothly. There's no effort in removing any of the tools. So this product looks promising. Again, please stand by for the review. I'll post the link below as soon as I publish the review in my blog. And I'll do another video with all of the cleaning tests, all of the runtime tests, and the other tests that I will do for this product. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified when I publish that review. Again.